Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah returned 22.75 seconds to land the women's 200 meters at Saturday's first staging of the J3A's SDF Puma Jubilee Series at the National Stadium.
Set position, they're sent away. Elaine Thompson-Herah gets a good start. She's up on Natasha Morrison. She's up on Nanda on the outside. Stephanie McPherson trying to go with her. She comes off the curve in front. Elaine Thompson-Herah, supreme, super, full of class. Elaine Thompson-Herah steps away from the rest of the field and she shuts it down. Stephanie and McPherson is there, 22.75.
You've seen you do it twice at the Olympics and win gold twice. Is it the same as the World Championships for this year?
Yes, definitely have a Dublin this year. You know, we have 3 major championships back to back, but I'm taking it championship by championship. But this one I'll be Dublin. I have no titles in the World Championship, so I'm definitely looking forward to get one this year. And I'm just working on my weakness and my strength to get there.
Is that a lot of people in?
Meanwhile, Shericka Jackson, the Olympic bronze medalist, clocked 11 seconds flat to take the women's 100-meter contest.
What can Shericka Jackson do? Set position, they're sent away. Christiana Williams gets a good start. Shericka Jackson is right there. Jodine Williams starting to come forward. Now Shericka Jackson steps on the accelerator. She steps away from the field, 11 seconds flat. Let's wait for the confirmation of the time.
Flat for you into a negative wind, 1.8 meters per second. How do you feel about that performance?
I'm feeling pretty good. Today, I came out here to do my best, and my best was good enough, and I am super happy.
Now, in the men's equivalent, Oblique Seville did 10 seconds flat to take top honors.
Set position. Now they're sent away. Oblique Seville gets a good start. Now here comes Thompson. Shane Thompson. Oblique Seville is ahead of Thompson. Oblique Seville, and Ghost is there. Oblique Seville gets it at 10:01. The flash time for Oblique Seville. We wait for confirmation. It's 10 seconds flat.
How are you feeling about that? Well, it seems like every time you run, you're getting faster and faster.
Yeah, well, it's a elated feeling that I ran 10 seconds. I have been training so hard, and I had little technical issues, but I'm getting better and better each time.